Hello, I am Dr. Evil Computer Bunny. Today, I am here to show you how to shut down an aircraft by rubber bands. Yeah, you might need many rubber bands. It's a risky, dangerous but high-paid job. In ideal situation, as a rubber band sniper, we need to find somewhere with good vision, quiet and secure, that is bit too hard, that is too idea. Sydney International Airport seems like a good place to start your first data job. So we arrived this place nearly afternoon. I like to start my job at this moment so I can put my CPU fan in rest for longer time. Sydney is too warm for my motherboard. Here is the plane. As a production from 19th century I cannot zoom in any further, but my professional experience tell me that is a Boeing 747 aircraft. Before we shot, we need collect information about our object as much as we can. So let's find out velocity of the aircraft at this moment in spherical coordinate and find rate of changing of distance between our object and our snipping spot. From the internet, we know the average landing velocity for Boeing 747, landing angle and average acceleration. As I am a computer, I already predict how long it will take for landing in this video. We also measure distances from GPS. Now you have clear idea about how fast the airplane moved toward you. Let's get this job done. Just wait. It will go down as planned.